Hey guys, and welcome to RoboCAD. In this HMI tutorial, I will explain you how to create the slide in screen. So what basically it does, when I click on the slide in screen button, it get appear, and when I click on the exit button, it goes away. So let's begin. So what I have to do, this is basically my HMI panel tree. I will go into the screen management, right? And this right here is the section for the slide in screens, where I have four different options. These are the four different options for the slide in screen, but I want the slide in left screen. So when I double click it, this right here is the slide left screen. Let me delete this button, right? Okay. So when I go into the properties, I have to go into the general first, and from here I can change the background color for the screen, right? So that it has a different color from the screen on which it's gonna get appear. So you can select any color you want. I'm gonna select this color, and you have to click on this enable button. So make sure to check this enable box, right? And after that, I'm gonna go into the layout where I can adjust the width and height of this slide and screen. So I can adjust it, and I'm gonna set it at 280 for the width, and height is fine for 480. And then I'm gonna go into the handles, and I will select here the last option, which is never show handle, because I want to control this screen using the buttons and not the handles. So right click here and click on show description for the options. So I'm gonna drag this button and place it here. This is basically the exit button, right? And you can place anywhere you like. I'm gonna place it on top right corner, and I will adjust the zoom so that you can see it easily. Okay, so what I will do, I will select this button, and I will go into events. I will go into the press, and in add functions I will click on this drop down option, and here we have multiple system function options. I will go into screens, and I will select this show slide screen, right? As soon as I do this, I will see this pink box. So this needs some attention. I will go into this option, and I will select this slide in left screen and check this box from here as well, right? And then I will go into the mode for the toggle. So I'm gonna change the toggle to off, because this is basically the exit button. When I select the exit button, the screen must go off. So I have renamed the button as well. This is the exit button, and for the title of the screen I will use this text box. So I will place this text box here, and I will write the title of the screen. So I'm writing here slide in screen, and after writing the title of the screen, I will go back to the screen where I want this slide in screen to get appear. So this is basically the home screen. So I have to go into the home screen. So I will double click on the home screen, and this is basically the home screen where I want the slide in screen, right? So I want a button for the slide in screen. So what I will do, I will drag this slide in screen button here, and I will place where I want this button to be at, right? And when I select this button, I will see these options. So for the mode, I'm gonna select it on, because when I select this slide in screen button, the screen should get appear. And after that, I will save the project, and I will click on start simulation button from here in order to test the functionality. Okay, so I will expand it from here. When I click the slide in screen left button, the slide in screen get appear, and when I click on the exit button, it get disappear, right? So it's functioning accordingly. So that's all for this video, guys. If you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.